name is Ruby Hunsaker with Creekside Farming, and I am the purchasing manager at our Madera, California location. Creekside Farming is a wholesale grower operation that provides a wide range of nuts and grapes that are sold across the U.S. We have several growing grounds in California, mostly in the Central Valley, with many varieties of plants. The reason that we implemented tank monitoring was to help control cost and eliminate the need of physically climbing on top of the tanks. TankScan monitors make the process so much easier. It is by far my favorite thing this year. The monitors have saved us time and money. Now we always have a consistent inventory of diesel rather than having an empty tank and having to send our guys with mobile units out to the local station and having to pay retail pricing versus a commercial pricing that we normally get. Having the monitors is both preventative and proactive in how we can see the quantity of fuel in real time. And we did decide to go with TankScan because they were affordable. We liked the program reporting, the dashboard, and the installation ease of the videos on their website. The installation was easy, took less than a day for most of our locations, and it was one of our workers who all they saw was one 3-minute video from their website, and he said it was super easy to do, and that by far is amazing for the program efficiency that they have.